Hello again. In this video I'm gonna be going over some Python challenges. So let's get started with the first one. The first one says, given a list of file names, we want to rename all the files with the extension HPP to the extension H. To do this, we would like to generate a new list called new file names, and then I'm guessing append everything to it. Okay. So let's create a new list, new file names equals an empty list. And then we're gonna do a for loop for f in file names, conditional statement if f dot ends with hpp. Then we'd like to do something with that. What we want to do is replace the extension, so we're gonna create a new variable that we're gonna be able to append to our list. Replaced file, whatever, equals to f dot replace hpp with h, and then we need to append new file names dot append our replaced file. Yes, if the file does not end with HPP, then we're just gonna append it like that without doing anything with it. So else new file names dot append if. Does this work like this? Studio image. Yes, it does. Or a list comprehension. Let's try with the list comprehension. See if we can do it. New file names is gonna equal to f dot replace. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to do it. I'm still new to list comprehension. H replace HPP A for f in file names. Yes, it worked. Nice. Okay, let's go over to the second challenge. Let's create a function that turns text into Big Latin. A simple text transformation that modifies each word, moving the first character to the end and appending a to the end. What? Transformation that modifies each word, moving the first character to the end and appending a to the end. For example, Python ends up as that atrocity. Okay, Big Latin text. Okay, so we're gonna get some text. Let's say words equals text dot split. So we have them split it for us. Okay, words equals text dot split. Let's do a for word. Word is gonna equal to word. We're gonna take everything from after the first character onwards plus the first character that we're gonna transpose, whatever. We're gonna take to this place, modify the placement plus that a. Yes. Should probably create an empty list. Say dot append word. Yes. Let's say return together. Let's see if this works. Hello, hi. Oh, whatever. Program pay. I think it works like this. Nice. Okay. The permissions of a file in a Linux system are split into 3 sets of 3 permissions: read, write, and execute for the owner, group, and others. Each of the 3 values can be expressed as an octal number, some in each permission, with 4 corresponding to read, 2 to write, and 1 to execute. Or it can be written with a string using the letters R, W, and X, or the dash when the permission is not granted. I know this already. For example, 648, fill in the blanks to make the code convert permission into octal format into a string format. Okay. So we're taking every number, converting them to integer and then to strings, I guess. List. Fill in the blanks to make the code convert the permission into octal into a string. Okay. Let's get started, I guess. Value letters, results for number. Okay, so let's say for the value and the letter in value letters. Yes. If number is greater than or equal to our value, then result is gonna plus equal our letter. And then we need to subtract it from our value. So number equals number minus our value. Like this is okay. If it's not, then result equals result plus that dash. Okay, let's try this code, I guess. Return result. Read, write, execute R is on. This looks fine to me. Okay, tuples and lists are very similar types of sequences. What is the main thing that makes a tuple different from a list? Tuples are immutable, meaning they cannot be changed, whereas lists can be changed, they are mutable. The group list function accepts a group name and a list of members and returns a string with the format group name, for example group list. This group with these members returns group and members. Fill in the gaps in this function to do just that. So we need to get marketing and then have it say marketing, double dots, mic, so on and so forth. Okay, you could say group and users. You can say that members of this group equals dot join users Okay, let's try 4. Wait, let me think about this. Sorry. Print. Can have an F string here. Print. Group. Members. Users. I don't know why it's adding these numbers. Whatever, I guess it works.